My name is Cindy Kirkman, and I'm the USO Okinawa Area Programs Manager, and today I'll be showing you how to make a lapbook. This is a creative way to organize information about anything you are learning about. It is an easy way to add information over several stages of a project. So today we'll be using the book The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carlisle as our guide. As you look through the book, you can see that there are many concepts for children to investigate, like the life cycle of a butterfly, numbers 1 through 10, healthy eating habits, days of the week, fine motor skills, and colors. So you can see that there are lots of things that you can learn about as you read through the book. So here are the materials that you will need: a glue stick, scissors, construction paper, and 3 file folders, and paper. So we're going to use all of these materials to make a creative lapbook. So let me show you how it looks when we're done. So you can organize the materials in any way you like, but you can see that this is what the kit comes with, or if you're making it on your own, you can put these materials together. So when you open it up, you can see that there's a hungry caterpillar inside. So all we did is cut out circles in green construction paper. And you can teach children the days of the week using these circles, or numbers, or any of the things that you're studying in the book. The kit comes with several handouts, including a handout about the days of the week where you can match up the things that you read about. There's also a handout about the days of the week, and you can track the things that you've done during the week, or you might want to track the foods that you've eaten. You're going to receive bookmarks as well as a coloring sheet, more handouts that go along with the book, and this is the one where you can match up the numbers. So inside of your lapbook, you're beginning to organize materials, and you can spend a lot of time doing this. You might do it over several weeks, or you might do it all in just a couple days. So there's a place where you can write a story if you like. You can also cut small strips of paper out and write the days of the week on one side in English and on the other side in Japanese or Spanish, so you can begin to learn your languages as we show you in the videos. So it's kind of a fun concept that you can put together. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your manila folder and fold the sides in, meeting them up with the middle line. So it's kind of like a puzzle, and then you match up each side. And if you have small children, you might want to do this ahead of time, but older children can do it on their own. So you take the second folder and you also fold in the edges, matching them up to the center line. So the way that you can expand it is by gluing down this section. So you're going to grab your glue stick and match up the right section to the center section of the second folder. So you can use colored folders, or you could use manila folders. There's lots of ways to make the books expand. This is just one way, but you can go online and Google lapbook making and find lots and lots of different ways to make lapbooks. This is just a very simple process. And you can put it together, and if you match it up just right, it goes together a little bit better. So this is the lapbook, and we know that each of your lapbooks are going to look different, but we hope that you enjoy the process of gluing all of the things together to learn more about all the concepts that you learn from the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. If you'd like to find out more information about all the concepts that we talked about today, you can see the other YouTube videos at USO Okinawa on YouTube, and you can see the stories in every single language.